to welcome to Adi's Adventures.
Hi, my name is Adi.
Adi.
What?
Smiley face. What are you going to do today, Adi?
Watercolor.
Water magic, right?
I have some skills to eat.
Kiddles to eat.
I'm already eating one.
You're eating one too.
There's some Skittles on the plate and some Skittles here for me to eat.
Yes. We are making one water experiment, water magic, and by that we can learn some shapes too. Let's do. First, we'll see what color is this, Adi?
Circle.
Circle. Pour water in the middle. And see the magic.
No,
It's not doing anything.
no.
No. Are you sure, Adi?
Yes, it's coming.
It's coming. Some magic is going to be happen.
I see some of the colors coming.
Yeah, some of the colors are coming out.
Yeah. They're coming out.
Magic.
I thought it's not going to come out.
What
so
color?
I thought you mean the tortoise. Right? Right, Emma?
What shape is this, Adi?
Circle.
Circle. Wow, look at that. You see the color?
Yeah. And Emma's going to close up the circle.
Yeah, it's going to close the circle.
Like a door.
A door.
Like open and close. And it looks like it's already open and coming close.
Open and coming close.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's look nice, Adi. Right?
And some of them is going zigzag.
Zigzag, yes. Look at that circle, right?
It looks like a half donut.
Half donut, yeah. It looks like a
donut half hole. Right?
yes. It looks like a donut, Adi. Colors, color, rainbow donut, right?
Yeah.
It's a rainbow donut.
I want to do the pattern one next day.
Oh. It's looking nice, Adi, right? Donut is becoming small. Circle is coming closer, Adi. Right? Yeah. Let's see the another one. What shape is this, Adi?
Triangle.
Triangle. Let's see how the triangle will be, okay? How the triangle shape will come out, okay?
Let's see it. I see the brown.
Triangle. Is triangle is coming out good?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, magic is going to start. Right, Daddy? Let's see how the shape of the triangle will be after water magic. It's going to start.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
This one is out. No, I'm talking about the circle.
Yeah, circle. It's becoming small. Let first let finish this triangle and then we look at.
But at the last, we just show everything about that.
Yeah.
Because the holes are getting smaller.
Triangle. Wow. Look at that triangle, Adi.
Now do fat.
All triangles, right? Triangle. Did you see this triangle shape over here?
Yeah.
And here? It's cool, Adi. It's
It's
cool.
making a circle.
I don't think so. It's look like a triangle for me.
Yeah, in the middle.
In the middle, it's triangle.
Yeah.
Look at this small circle. Wow.
But look at this.
It
Now
looks
it's
good.
they're coming out. So now it's a circle.
Next, see the rhombus shape. Okay.
Huh?
Diamond shape.
No, that's a diamond shape.
That's a square, Adi. It's a diamond shape. Let's
But-
see how the diamond shape will be.
But it looks like to me is a square. On my side, it looks like a
Diamond.
square.
Yeah, this is a square and this is a diamond. Diamond, Adi. Let's see how the diamond will look.
On your side, it looks like a diamond. On my side, it looks like a circle. No, it looks like a square on my side.
Oh.
And also that is a diamond. Look like for mine.
Adi, this triangle also looks like a circle last. Water magic, water magic.
They're full up.
Yeah, look at this circle. Wow. It's look cool, Adi. Right? Yeah, this is also this square, this triangle also. Same as, but it looks like a triangle shape here and here, but in middle it's a circle.
Yeah, you have to cover
Yeah.
that spot.
Look at this. What shape is that? It's a rhombus, diamond. Rhombus shape. Next, last, we'll see the square. How the square will be. Square.
Oh, look at that hole.
Yeah. Adi, I think whatever may be the shape, finally it's going to become circle,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, but you have to cover that
See,
whole
this one,
circle.
diamond, but in the middle it's showing circle, right?
Mm.
And let's see the square. how it
Because
will
you
be.
have to block the sides.
Mm,
Now block the sides.
if I block also, the same thing is going to be happen, Adi. It's going to be turn out like that, square, circle. Let's see, this is a square and we'll see how the it will going to be turn out. Okay.
I think we have to put behind three of them.
See, this is a rhombus and this is also same. It's forming circle in the middle. Yay! It's starting.
Look at how this is look like a square.
It's a square. Let's see how it's going to be turn out.
Yeah, it's making a square.
It's making square.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's making square, Adi. Wow. Yeah, it's making square.
Hey, wait a second. That diamond have two red clothes, and this square have two red. Yeah, two brown and two red. That's impossible.
Adi, this is coming square, Adi. I think square and circle will comes the same shapes, but not for the diamond and triangle. It's forming already it formed the circles in the middle. Adi, I think this is also going to form circle in the middle, Adi. First it started a square, but now it's turning into circle, right?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Oh, now Now we know. Does it keep on turning every shape?
Yeah. Whatever the shape may be, finally it's going to be turned into circle. Right, Adi? By this experiment, we can say whatever shape may be, finally the inside the shape will be circle. See?
We need to cover it, and we need 4 skittles in each places.
See, this is also forming circle Adi in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Same thing.
To do.
Adi, this is also circle Adi. Right?
Full of dead circles are yeah.
See, everything is circle. This is a circle shape, triangle,
Hey, you can see the shape.
rhombus, and square.
You can see the shapes, right?
We can see the no, we can see the shapes, but the layout. We can see the layout, right? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything, whatever may be the shape, finally it's going to be turned out into circle. Right, Adi?
Yeah.
Thanks for
For
watching.
watching.
If you like this video, please subscribe.